Keep it a secret, understanding the phrase. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to dive into a common English phrase, keep it a secret. This phrase is widely used in everyday conversations, and understanding its meaning and usage is essential for English learners. So, let's explore what it really means to keep something a secret. The phrase, keep it a secret, is an idiomatic expression. To keep something a secret means to not tell anyone about that particular information. It's an instruction or request to maintain confidentiality about something you've been told or know. This phrase emphasizes the importance of privacy and discretion. You might hear or use keep it a secret in various situations. When sharing personal or sensitive information, in a professional setting, where certain information is confidential, among friends, when discussing plans or surprises for others, it's important to use this phrase responsibly. When someone asks you to keep it a secret, they are trusting you not to share the information with anyone else. Let's look at some examples. 1. I'm planning a surprise party for John. Please keep it a secret. 2. I heard that our company is launching a new product next month, but we have to keep it a secret. 3. I'm moving to a new city next year, but I haven't told anyone else yet. Can you keep it a secret? These examples show how the phrase can be used in different contexts. In some cultures, keeping secrets is seen as a sign of trustworthiness, while in others, it might be less emphasized. It's important to be sensitive to these cultural differences when using the phrase, keep it a secret. We hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, keep it a secret. Remember, it's a powerful phrase that carries the weight of trust and confidentiality. Use it wisely and respect the secrets entrusted to you. Thanks for watching, and keep practicing your English.